Hi, this is Joan of Arc. What I'm holding is a BUWA. According to my friend here, Olive, where is Olive? There. A BUWA in English is a coconut germ. Why is it called a coconut germ? Correction. Coconut apple. And this is the mature coconut fruit. It is found inside a coconut fruit. A mature coconut fruit which is about to grow into a coconut tree. So this is a germ because it will germinate. It is germinating from a mature coconut fruit into a coconut seedling. Coconut embryo. And it's growing inside this shell. But when you open a mature coconut fruit and eat it, it's very refreshing. It tastes like foam, but it has the sap or juice of coconut juice. Very refreshing. So this is one of my favorite things to eat, and one of the rarest because you can't find these all the time. It looks like a slice of apple. I'm sorry I haven't taken a hold of the whole thing. It was very big, this big. Like as big as the mature coconut inside. So it's like growing. It's like a baby fetus growing in the womb of a coconut tree. In Ilonggo, it's called a BUWA. BUWA. So, no precise translation for this because it's not very commonplace. But I love this. It's so refreshing. I love it. Foamy, juicy, refreshing. This is Joan of Arc. And see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Go next.